don't want to touch it.
Oh my God!
Oh, don't bite me, don't beat me, don't bite me. I'm not gonna bite you. Please help me to join these fruits because I'm acid. Okay, don't worry, Snake. I will help you to just join all the fruits and vegetables. So, okay, thank you. I'm sorry for scaring you. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so you can stand here, like there, over there. Okay, and I will join the fruits and vegetables. And you will tell the names of the fruits and vegetables. Then I will clean the fruits and vegetables. Okay, it's gonna be hard and fun too. Okay, now let's start joining the fruits and vegetables. First, let's join the grape. Do you know what color is the grape? Is it pink? No. It's purple. Purple? Is it right? Is it right? Purple, is it right? Yes, you're right. Good job, Snake. Okay, do you know of the name of this fruit? Yes, I know. How? How? Before you said that, what is the grape's color? That's why its name is grape. Oh, silly me. I already said that grape. Okay, 1 point for you. Great at this. The next one will be this. What is inside? Guys, I think you like and subscribe in the before video I saved you. Now, see? A mystery! Gift box. Oh, wow, this poppin'. I didn't see that. Pop, pop. Okay, we don't want to play now. Now we don't do it. But first, let's open this mystery box. Any minute. Okay, let's open it. Open. 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 Oh, it's a cute little doggy. What? What is it? Oops. Shoes, guy. If the snake knows that's a dog, then he will eat it. So let's hide it. Nothing in the mystery box. I was just kidding. Snakey will know it. Nothing in the box. It's just the sound of the orange. Let's put it. Poor puppy. He doesn't see it. Okay, let's put it. Is it a puppy? Puppy? No, it's not it. Okay, now let's join this. Okay, do you know what vegetable is this? Is it guava? No. Is it? It's a red chili. Good, you're right. It's a red chili. Okay, let's join it. And I forget. Do you know what color is the red chili? Easy, red. How did you know it? Because red chili, in the name there is red, so I know it's red chili. Good job, snake. Now let's join the fish. It's a strange color. There is pink fish too, but some fishes are gray. And say, what color is the vegetable or fruit? I don't know. Okay, what color is the fish? It's pink, and I know the name. Fish. Oh yeah, you can know that because it's easy. Okay, let's now join the... Oh, yay, raw pumpkin. Oops, did I say that? Okay, let's ask Snake. Snake, do you hear anything that I said? No? What did you say? Anything? Phew, he doesn't hear that. Okay, what vegetable is this? It's raw pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange and raw pumpkin is green. And it's green color. Easy peasy. Everyone knows this baby. Do you know this fruit? It's a little hard. I think it's papaya? No. It's okay, I will just taste it that I can know. It's so crunchy. I know. And it's so sweet. I know, what is this? It's a pineapple and it's sweet and its color is yellow. Good. So let's put the pineapple here. Now, sit here. I will join another one. A little heart. Aha. You can do this one. I'm not helping you. What fruit is this? Okay, first I need to check. It's tasty, sweet, but I cannot say the name. I know this fruit, I've eaten before, but I don't know the name. Please guys, help me. Comment down below. What flavor is it? Oh, and the color is light green, but I don't know the name. Guys, help me. What fruit is this? Comment down below. Fine, you cannot do this one. Let's put it. I know you cannot. Ha ha ha. Ha. 1 point lose. You are me. Okay, don't bite me. Okay, you are okay. Okay, this one is a little easy. Oh, I know. It's a broccoli and it's green color. Good. Let's try another one. Put it. Okay. What is this then? I know, it's tomato and it's red. How is he doing that? We need another hard one. Okay, let's see this one. Then what is this fruit? I don't know. Please, again, comment down below. What fruit is this? See, I know you cannot do this one. So I'm giving you an easy one. This one, almost tell the name. And this one is easy, banana, and it's yellow color. Okay, it's a little hard for you. Can I even say it? No, I can do it. It's watermelon. It's green in outside and bread inside. Good job. The next one. It's this one. Guava. Huh? How did you know? Guava. It's easy and it's green. Let's again. Okay, it's gonna be hard. I need to tell you this. This one is very hard. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. It's orange color. Oh, where is the hard one? There is no more hard ones. And this one is very hard. It's carrot. Orange color. Oh, is there another one? No? Okay, this junk food can make him very sad. He doesn't know this one. What is this then? I only know the fruits and vegetable name. It's a burger. It's junk food, and he didn't eat any junk food. That's why he's a good snake. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.